Hi Engineering Janta, I am Vaibhav Shukla and I have again a wonderful announcement for you people. So before I begin, tell me whether I am visible and clearly audible, and then we can begin with today's session. So kindly tell me in the chat section that am I audible and visible? If I am clearly visible and audible, please tell me in the chat section. And then we can begin, we can kickstart the session for today. And I can inform you what wonderful announcement I have for you people. So just once confirm me that whether I am audible or not. Great. Thank you, Sharada. I'm audible, so hi, welcome you all. There's one wonderful announcement from Volvo's side. There's another opportunity, and like always, I am in front of you explaining you how you can crack this opportunity and why this is big. The reason being, this particular opportunity is not just limited to 25 or 26 batch, it is also for the people who are from the 2024 batch. Fine. People who are from 2023 batch can try their luck, but honestly their chances are bleak. It is for 2024, 2025 and 2026 batch primarily, ranging there. This is the Spark Intern program. Volvo has announced the Spark Intern program. And Volvo is one of the big product-based companies which offer very good lucrative packages. They offer you competitive salary, work benefits, culture is just unparalleled. It is wonderful company to work at. Fine. So for this particular program, I'll go into details. So if you have any doubts, hold for a while and then we'll discuss the preparation plan for it as well, because this internship is not just for CSIT students. So that is one wonderful and one different thing apart from all the majority internships that are floating in the market. Fine. So right now, Spark Intern program is being rolled out, and for that, the location would be Bangalore for the interns, and this is a graduate level position. And in this program, the duration would be 9 months. And during this, Volvo is trying to aim that they hire some young talent, they mold them into their culture, they train them according to the cutting edge skills that they need, and then they put you into good projects, which are the projects which will be deployed in the products of Volvo. Fine. So at this point, this 9-month internship can actually transform your career. Why? You have full-time opportunity, full-time conversion possible in this particular internship. Fine. For this, they are seeking passionate and talented B.Tech or M.Tech freshers. So if you're somebody who has passed B.Tech in 2024, or you're about to pass in 2025, or you're about to pass in 2026, you are fairly eligible. For all those people who are from 2025 batch or 2026 batch, let me tell you, the people who are about to pass, like 2025, or the people who have just passed the 2024 batch, they are more likely to get the internship as compared to others, be it B.Tech or M.Tech. And this time it is not just in the discipline of computer science engineering, but from mechatronics to automation engineering, electrical engineering, ECE, production engineering, mechanical engineering, CSC, automobile engineering, robotics, AI, ML, data engineering, information technology, automation engineering. These are the specializations or primarily the streams from which they want to hire people. Fine. At this point, they will be giving you hands-on training with cutting edge technologies and industry projects, mentorship from seasoned professionals from Volvo Group. Now, Volvo Group owns multiple entities. Fine. At that point of time, when you will be trained in this particular group, you will be headed by the senior professionals, the leadership position occupiers. Fine. The people who are already sitting on the top of the hierarchy, they'll be guiding you. Very senior people in the industry would be guiding you. They have a lot of exposure, a lot of experience, and through their experience they can guide you and funnel your energy into a very good place where you can learn things at a very fast pace. ठीक है, ये opportunity ऐसी है कि तुम्हारे लिए चीजें बहुत differently present कर देगी. ठीक है, एक बार तुम Volvo के gates से pass out होते हो, even if as an intern. However, most of the interns will have a chance to get full-time opportunity here. Fine, they'll be converted to full-time, but for those who don't get converted, उन्हें भी job बहुत easily मिल जाएगी कहीं भी, because Volvo से if you are an intern ना, you carry a value in the market. ठीक है, at that point you should think it in the terms that ये job ही है आपके लिए, आपको वैसे ही सोचना चाहिए इसके लिए. Fine, you will have real world challenges, business operations to deal with, and very diverse, very inclusive environment even for all those people who are people with disabilities. I don't prefer saying that, honestly. It's better to call what we Indians call Divyang. Fine, so that's absolutely possible for all those people can come here and can wonderfully work here. The diverse culture allows you opportunities to grow, and full-time employment upon successful completion can be given. Fine, that is an opportunity that you have. Now, who should apply? Fresh graduates looking to kickstart their career, they should apply. So basically, if you're somebody from 2024, you're a freshie, you're not having any experience, or you're just doing some other internships, it's for you. You go ahead, apply for it. Candidates who are eager to learn, develop their technical skills, they must come. People who are passionate about technology, sustainability, things like that, they can join. But very, very important, do not straight away go and click on apply button. Fine, this is the apply button here, this is the apply button. Fine, do not directly go and click on it. Simple cheese. Right now it is not being closed, so wait for 1 or 2 days. What you can do in these 1 or 2 days, rather I would say 1 day is enough. In this 1 day, go on LinkedIn. You have created a profile, go on LinkedIn and bombard the connection requests to the Volvo employees. Send them connection requests, and as soon as one of them accepts, draft a crisp formal message. छोटा सा message लिखो, hi, I am this, I am XYZ. Fine, for example, had I been writing the message, I would have written, hi, I am Vaibhav Shukla, I am working, or I am a fresher graduate of 2024 and I want the job for a particular, I want a referral for this particular job ID, and then thank you, I am attaching my resume for the reference, thanking you in anticipation, regards. Now with this crisp message, what you can do is, you mention this job ID, this requisition ID 17915, you give them this ID, get a referral for yourself. This will increase the chances of your selection in a multifold manner. Fine, हो सकता है आपको लग रहा हो कि I'll straight away apply. No, do not do that. Do not do that. Also, while sending your resume, before you send this message, this referral request, what you have to do is, you go to our YouTube channel. Fine, it is free of cost to get that guidance. You go to the live section. Fine, you scroll a bit, and when you scroll a bit, you will find this video, the only way to make an ultimate resume. Fine, you go ahead, you click on this video, watch this video, through and through watch this video. Fine, and craft your resume well. Make it a resume which is ATS friendly, which grabs a score above 90 on the ATS. Fine, that will help you out. So support team, please help me out with this. Please put the link to this live stream in the chat section for the students. Fine, that would help them out. Apart from this, now you will be facing an issue, what skills you should possess. That is one, again, a big question, because you need to have good skills in your resume, good projects in your resume. So how do you do that? Very simple, I'll explain you. Allow me a minute and I'll be showing you what exactly to put. Fine. So these are top 5 high paying skills. This video is available. A month ago we posted this. This was specifically crafted in a manner where the skills which are trending right now in the market, those are valued. So what you can do is go ahead, watch this video as well. Fine, top 5 high paying skills for 2025. You'll realize what exactly or which skills exactly you need to pick up so that your resume highlights. Now for this you need good projects. I have solved that problem for you as well. You go here, click on this video, top 5 final year projects. Here I have also given proper ATS friendly resume descriptions. You just see them. You can find the link to those resume descriptions in the description box of YouTube. You go to that link, you find those resume descriptions, take inspiration from it, and after getting inspired, craft something for your own resume. You can also take the template of that and paste in resume. Fine. Only one thing you should do is statistics of that particular description should be real. So you should keep it according to your particular project. Fine. So top final year projects and these top 5 skills. Support team, please put these videos and the resume guidance video in the chat section so that people can get benefit from it. Apart from this, for all those people who are from Mechatronics branch or who are from the automation branch or electrical engineering, EC, you should be focusing on your core subjects. Alongside that, you must have built some very good, cool, real life working project. Fine, that would help you out. For people who are in CSE, simple coding, top 100 coding questions, practice. But apart from this, in this one page can help you out. What you can do is type top 150 not out prep insta. Fine, and you will find this link here. You click on this link and then you go ahead. Here questions are bifurcated topic by topic. If you have covered this whole list, you will easily get selected in Volvo coding round. Fine. For all those people who are right now trying and preparing for the Volvo, this can help you out very easily. This can help you out. Fine. So apart from this, you can practice top 100 codes. That is one thing. Apart from this, you need a good project. I told you how to build a good project. You need a good resume. I told you how to build one. After that, you should be focusing a lot on your CS fundamentals. Fine. So that is one thing you should be very focused upon. And in CS fundamentals, you have to study a few things that are essential. I am writing them here so that you know what exactly to study. So here in CS fundamentals, what you can study is, one is DBMS SQL. Fine. And in SQL, you can go ahead and study joins, DDL, DML, DCL, concept of keys here in DBMS. Apart from this, you can study normal forms. Fine. This much is enough for an intern. ER diagrams, bit of ER diagrams and relational DB. ER diagrams and relational DB. Also do study a bit of OS. And in operating system, what you can study is process scheduling. Fine. Process scheduling. Apart from process scheduling, you can study deadlock. Fine. Then deadlock and banker's algo. Alongside this, also study some resource sharing. Here you study paging, process synchronization a bit, and in this you study semaphores. Fine. So if you study this much and a bit of software engineering, agile methodologies, if you study that much, it's enough. Thank you so much, support team. They have put all the links that are necessary for your preparation. You can go ahead, check that out. Also, one more thing can be very helpful for you. I'll show it. Just a minute. What you can do is, you go to Prime and you start practicing this. There is a proper track where you can go ahead and intermediate coding, competitive coding, basic coding. So the best thing that can help you out is intermediate coding and competitive coding for this Volvo. Competitive coding bhi brush up kar lo, zyada ghusne ki zarurat nahi hai. Intermediate coding can help you out there. Fine. Once you do this, you can easily sail through the Volvo test if you are a CS or IT student or an ECE student. आसानी से कर पाओगे. ठीक है. कुछ चीज़ें रिवाइज करने के लिए, एप्टीट्यूड रिवाइज करना है, कुछ रिवाइज करना है, उसके लिए भी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी यहाँ पर। और व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, आप यहाँ पर जाएंगे एंड इफ यू फीलिंग दैट यू नीड सम हेल्प फ्रॉम आवर साइड, so at least I can provide you this. You write Shukla 10, use this coupon code, click on it. For example, this is 48 months subscription. You write Shukla 10 here, fine. And if you click on it, you immediately get a very significant discount. So you can see that significant discount. Similarly, you can get from this coupon code Shukla 10, so you can get benefited from it. Apart from this, study hard because that is essential. Alongside that, you need to understand that Volvo requires a few things in their program and you should be very, very thorough with them. What is that? You should know about automotives a bit. You should know about how in automobile sector the application of your specialization is being done. For example, if you are an AI and ML engineer, how your particular domain is involved in the automotives or in the automobile sector, and that can help you out gain an edge. If you can add a project of AI ML like pothole detections or something that helps you in the automobile sector, your resume would automatically stand out. So you should try looking for it. Fine. So apart from this, go ahead, shoot up your doubts, I'll solve them. That's all about this opening. So Java, Spring or Mern. Okay, so Varun, for that there is one very easy thing to decide. If you're somebody who's in this CSE portion, who's applying in this portion, then go ahead with Java Spring Boot. Fine. Do not go with Mern if you're applying to Volvo, because Volvo scales on the basis of microservices. A lot of microservice architecture is being used in Volvo. They do not use much of the Mern. So go ahead, pick up the Spring Boot and drop your queries so that I can pick them up. If you have any, go ahead. And this is for batches 2024, 2025, 2026. But I'm not telling 2023 people to not apply. 2023 people, go ahead, test out your luck. Fine. Also for the people who are asking for referrals on LinkedIn, just wait for one day. If you do not get any response from referral side, straight away click on apply now button and apply for it. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, what will happen after getting a referral? Divyapriya. Divyapriya, look, there is a very high chance of getting shortlisted after referral. देखो, सीधी सी बात है. If your relative comes to your home and tells you कि that particular person is good, ठीक है, and or that particular shop is good, you were going to buy a TV, that person comes and tells you about an XYZ shop that this is better to buy a TV. You will not go to any other shop initially, right? You will straight away bang on to that shop and you'll buy out a TV, right? Why so? Because you are having a referral. You were referred to that shop by a relative. So similarly, if an existing employee refers a candidate, automatically company considers that this person is trustworthy and should be preferred more over others. This is a general phenomena, and in Volvo, this happens a lot. So if you're a referral candidate, believe me, your chances of getting shortlisted are increased by at least 80 to 90%. Fine. You have a very, very good surety that you will be called if you are having a referral. बस resume अच्छा रखना, resume खराब मत रखना, resume should be very good, project should be good. Revant, you've already applied for Volvo, no issues. If your resume is good, you will be shortlisted, don't worry. Fine. But once you've applied, you cannot get referrals. That's why I told you that if you have not applied, you can wait for a while. Fine. So Revant, if you have already applied, pray that you're shortlisted. And if your resume is good, you will be shortlisted, don't worry. Go ahead guys. If any other doubt, shoot up. So best course to become Java developer and how much time? You're from CSC background. Good. First of all, Varun, भाई सच बोलते हैं थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? You need to study hard. पहली बात तो ये है. तो जावा सीखनी पड़ेगी पहले, फिर स्प्रिंग बूट सीखना पड़ेगा. तो कैसे सीखोगे? सिंपल सा तरीका है. अगर कम टाइम में सीखना है, प्राइम पे जाओ, ठीक है? एनरोल कर लो, 200 प्लस कोर्सेज हैं, मिल जाएंगे। सिंपली जाओ और यहाँ पर लैंग्वेजेस वाले सेक्शन में ये जावा पिकअप कर लो, पूरी जावा थ्रू आउट सीख लो। ओके, यू गो, यू पिक दिस प्रेप इंस्टा प्राइम वरुण एंड learn Java first of all here. Once you are thorough with Java, what you do is go to YouTube, pick up Spring Boot. Fine. Spring Boot की 3-4 अच्छी playlists हैं, किसी को भी उठा लो. If you want in Hindi, go ahead study in Hindi. If you want in English, go ahead study in English. And after that, read a few Spring Boot documentations. Time almost 5 months. 4 to 5 months if you are learning at a decent pace and you want to get deep dive into every topic. अच्छे से Spring Boot सीख जाओगे, अच्छे से Java सीख जाओगे. Once you learn this, you can pass any interview. Don't worry. Fine. And Varun, for Java, you can check this course out. Simple. Go ahead. Sharada. I am from AI/ML background, but so in resume, which type of project like web development or AI/ML related or both? Sharada, if you're from AI/ML background, you should add projects of AI/ML only. Fine. And you add 2 good projects, you will be shortlisted, don't worry. Now, where do you find those 2 good projects? For that, you go ahead, as I told you, rather, you have that link here in the chat section. Fine. You go to our YouTube channel of Prep Insta. Fine. And on this YouTube channel, you go to the videos and you go ahead and open this up. I'll show you. You open this video of top 5 final year projects. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will find, I'll just show you what exactly I've done in this video. Wait for a while. So what I have done in this video is, if you carefully see, I have given you the resume description. For example, stock price prediction using machine learning. This is a very good project. This is the resume description for it. What you should write in your resume. Fine. It is clearly available in this video. Also, what you can do is, when you go to its description, you will realize that you go to this link, top projects for placement. When you click on this link, you will find the same resume descriptions written here, from where you can take inspiration and you can add it according to you. See, after this brief approach, this is ATS friendly resume description, clearly given to you. Okay, Sharada. So this will help you out a lot. And if I'm not wrong, there was one more lung cancer detection. Yes, using transfer learning, you add these 2 projects, you're getting shortlisted. I can assure you this. Fine. If you have a good ATS friendly resume, if you have these projects, you have written your skills well, believe me, you're getting shortlisted. If you get a referral, even if you don't get, your chances of getting a shortlisting status positive are very high. Fine. Go ahead. I hope I've answered your doubt, Sharada. And this is all free. You do not need to pay for this. This is all free. ये सब free में कर सकते हो आप. I hope, Sharada, that answers your question. And if that answers your question, guys, anybody of you who want such interesting information regularly, or who want me to make more helpful videos for you people, go ahead, first of all, subscribe. Also, on our YouTube channel, press that bell icon so that you have proper notifications from my side as well. Follow us on all the social media handles so that you never miss any hiring update. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the live chat section so that I can help you out with it. So I hope most of the doubts are answered. If they are, then I'll wrap up. Yup. So most of the doubts are answered. All you need to do is prepare hard, prepare well, and for all the great Sharada, for all the students who are working for CSC or AI branch, please go through these questions. Top 150 not out list is super important for you people. Please do visit this list. Okay, if you solve these problems, you can crack any man company, Google, Adobe, beat any company, product based, service based. You will be a magician of data structures. Believe me, in 150 questions से बाहर नहीं आ सकता. Believe me, patterns हैं, specific patterns हैं, इनसे बाहर नहीं आएगा. I have myself tried and tested, worked in a product based company, given the same list to many of my students, many of my friends. They have done well, and this is all free. Fine. Sir, for first few rounds is Python, okay, or must learn Java. Absolutely fine if you're comfortable with Python. बस एक चीज का ध्यान रखना दिव्यप्रिया, the issue is sometimes in the online compilers indentation of Python sometimes doesn't work well and your code gets stuck. So you need to work there. If you're comfortable with it, Python can work till the last round. Don't worry about it. Fine. If you're from AI/ML background, Python is your key, no? So Python can easily work. There's no issue. But do practice these questions because this list can altogether take you in any test. From service-based to product-based, any company you can clear. To that extent, this list has been crafted. इन्हीं 150 patterns में से ही चीजें आएंगी. इन्हीं 150 patterns को थोड़ा बहुत change करके जोड़ के नया question बन जाता है. ठीक है? So that can help you a lot. And you have all these links in the chat section. So you can go ahead, click on them, check them out. Fine. And this is all free of cost. You do not need to pay for this. You'll have multiple solutions for that as well. Find all the materials link shared above. Please check out. Great. Thank you, CSM team. Thank you so much. Like always, doing great work. So I hope I have answered your question, Divyapriya. And to all the people, if you have any doubt, go ahead. Otherwise, we can wrap this up. So, yep, I guess there are no more doubts. So guys, whatever good you learnt in this video, please spread it out, tell more people, keep on telling more people, keep on doing good without any expectation. Fine. Do not expect things, keep on doing good. Good will come back to you, believe me. In multifolds, universe will return that to you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye. I'll come next time. Stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel.